two masters, slightly different areas.
Okay.
Couple
Here's the
observations.
dining.
The stove is missing, the refrigerator is missing. Granite countertops like the last place we saw, however, full of stuff. You can imagine.
Here's the kitchen. They are in the process of moving out, but notice there's no stove and no refrigerator. And here is dining room, out to the garage where we started. In the living room. It's definitely a different layout, kind of. Here's the backyard. I'll go out there in a second. That's the front door. The backyard area has some potential. Looks like there's a little shed out there as well. Not as high of ceilings for some reason. This is the first bedroom. Closets. Walk through the sink. Shower. And then another bath, or the toilet area. Sink. Nice storage closet inside the bathroom. So this is all connected to the first bedroom. And now, this is for the washer dryer. It's a separate room, which is a lot better than the other ones. So this bathroom can act as guest and then also as the bathroom for that bedroom. Now upstairs. Looks like they had cats, but it doesn't smell. The first bedroom. Looks like the bathroom connects. I'll go in that way, the other way. So this is the other bathroom. And then the last bedroom. That's the furnace. And the hot water heater is somewhere else. So once again, this is the master. Just to show you again, I didn't realize it was the master at first. And the nice windows, a lot lighter. Got glow-in-the-dark stars on the ceiling. Again, lots of storage. Okay, that's it. Bye.